Hi guys, and welcome to another vlog. We've officially been in London for about 24 hours now. Yesterday, after getting in off the train, since it was a pretty early train ride, we checked into the hotel and essentially passed out for a couple hours. We only said an hour, but I'm pretty sure it was longer than that. After that, we went and got Nando's, and then what's the name of that area that we went to? Soho?
Yeah, we went out.
We went out in Soho for a little bit. The vibe was, it felt much younger than what we would have liked. It felt basically like 18 to 25-year-olds. Either places were charging a cover or there was a really long line. So the place that we did go to, you could tell it was just like some people that were a little bit drunker than they probably should have been. So a pretty, I would say, chill first day. Today, woke up and went to a fragrance consultation. There's a fragrance brand that partners with the hotel that we're staying at. So it was a 45-minute consultation where we can try all the different fragrances, different fragrance families that they have, and then purchase one at the end, which I did. So the name of the fragrance house is Miller Harris. They are local to London, or a London-based brand, and all of their fragrances are as natural as they can be. I went with, all right, help me with the pronunciation. Reverie. De Bergamo. I'm trying.
You're saying
Burger. I'm saying burger.
I would like to buy a hamburger. The burger. Sound like Inspector Clouseau.
This is so hard. That.
Oh my goodness.
I'm not gonna try and mess it up. It is the fragrance that I got. It's a very citrusy, bright fragrance, which I thought was perfect for summer and also something that I don't have in my collection. So this is the one that I went with. We got other samples. These are the samples we got. They all were really good scents, all very different. It was actually very hard to choose, so I'm happy we got some samples to take home with us. So this quickly became a fragrance trip, but I'm excited and happy, and it is kind of cool that the hotel partners with this fragrance brand. So now we're gonna go find food and then probably do some sightseeing. It is pretty warm outside, as much as it's only 75 degrees. 75 degrees here feels very different than it would in Texas, but also the difference is a lot of places don't have AC, so keep that in mind for summertime. So yeah, probably gonna go to Burger and Lobster and then see where the rest of the day takes us. It is currently, well, I say good morning with 5 minutes left in the morning. But I decided to start the day with doing my hair, which is something I typically try to avoid when we're on vacation, just because I never know how my hair is going to react or cooperate. But this hotel made it super easy for me to wash my hair without having it be like
all production. I didn't use any of the products that they had just because I know how temperamental my hair is, and I brought little travel size products with me just because I knew with us being overseas for this long, I was gonna have to do my hair eventually. But if I haven't said it already, I absolutely love this hotel. 10 out of 10. Probably the best hotel we've ever stayed in. The location is, I would say, convenient to go to the popular sightseeing spots. Like Buckingham Palace was maybe a 20-minute walk. What else? The London Eye was about 20 minutes, and Big Ben. The bridge is in the opposite direction. That's about a 40-minute walk from here, which I think we're gonna try to do that today. And then after that, we should be done from like a sightseeing perspective, at least for all the things that we want to see. We are right behind the National Gallery, which is free, so that was nice. The National Gallery is also massive. Now I'm gonna finish up my hair, and then I'll check back in once we're ready to start the day. We're officially back at the hotel in the room after a, I would say, pretty chill day. We walked around. I should really get better at knowing the names of areas, but I'll have everything up on the screen or with the video and the clips so you'll know where we were. But we did a little bit more exploring, found a cute little area with a ton of shops. Then we had very authentic fish and chips. It was a massive piece of fish. I was thoroughly surprised. To be honest, Javante and I could have probably just ordered the large portion and shared it, but the more you know. That's also one thing that we've been doing a lot more, is because a lot of places do have like bigger portion sizes, instead of ordering 2 dishes and then not finishing it, we'll just order one and split it. So it actually works out better, and it feels like a nicer, like, intimate experience whenever we're out to eat if we do that. But this is the one time that we didn't do it, and then we're just like, dang, we probably should have. But I think it's also because we've been conditioned to what fish and chips should be like at other places. The background noise you're hearing is there's a very fancy toilet here that is auto cleaning. So granted, it is a very nice toilet. Like, I never thought that I would be a snob to toilets in any capacity, but this one, it's a heated seat, it has a bidet, it has a dryer, the water from the bidet is warmed. I think my life is forever changed. But that's a conversation for another day when we're talking about house. So now that we're back, Javante's not feeling too well, so it's gonna be a pretty easy night. Ordered room service, got a pizza, so that should be up here soon. And I'm just gonna wind down and edit. So this might be good night for now. Yeah, this will probably be good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye.
get back from the traffic controller how we're going to get you to Amsterdam Central Station. I have no idea how long this is going to take. And as soon as I know anything else, or I have an idea, estimated time of arrival, we will get back to you. We apologize for this inconvenience. Just hold on, I will be back for you as soon as I have new information to you.
Of your attention, please. Due to a mistake by traffic control, our train has been sent into a different direction that was originally the plan. Our train driver is momentarily going through the train to the backside of the train to make sure we have to go a little bit back towards Schiphol Airport. Please make sure that the hallways are clear of luggage, and please make way so that our train driver can get through the train as quick as possible. We will go backwards to Schiphol Airport for a short bit, and then when we have passed the right, what's it called? Truck switch, then the driver will go to the front part of the train again and make sure that we take the right turn towards Amsterdam Central Station. This whole situation should cause about an hour of delay. Of course, we apologize for this inconvenience. This is also the first time for us that this has happened. So our expected time of arrival for Amsterdam Central will be 2:15, around 2:30. Once again, we will keep you updated, and yeah, we apologize for this very weird inconvenience. Thank you for your patience.